subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Palak Pakora. Wash and chop 100 grams of spinach. Remove in a bowl. Add 1 sliced onion. 1 potato diced into small pieces. 2 tablespoons rice flour. 1 tablespoon semolina. Add green chilies as per taste. Add handful of chopped fresh coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Add 200 grams gram flour. Add 50 to 100 ml water in it. Add water gradually. Combine well. Consistency should be like this. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Heat up the oil. Check oil with skewer whether hot or not. Drop pakoras in hot oil on medium flame. Grab a small amount in your hands and gently lower into oil. Try to keep it quite loose so stays super crunchy. Do not flip immediately. Keep flipping with help of skewer. Keep cooking until crispy. Remove it. Drain the excess oil. Time to plating. Hear the crunchiness. Hear the crunchiness. Hear the crunchiness. Let me show you another one. Do try this super crunchy yet delicious pakoras snack recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.